Hello everyone, my name is Sujan Chandra Sarkar. I have completed my graduation in economics. Currently, I am preparing for the BCS examination and my first choice is the foreign cadre since it has always been my dream to represent my country internationally. So, I am working hard and practicing regularly to achieve this goal. থ্যাংক ইউ। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। ভিডিওটি করা হয়েছে মুখের জড়তা দূর করার জন্য, যাতে ইংরেজি ভয় দূর হয়। ধন্যবাদ।